What's up, going everybody? Welcome back. Today I'm making breadfruit porridge, and if you are a porridge lover, this recipe is a must try. Before I get into the recipe, remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm only using half of the breadfruit. I'm going to peel it, remove the heart, and cut it up into some smaller pieces. Once you're done cutting the breadfruit, rinse it off a bit and set it aside. Here I have 3 cups of water in a pot that I'm going to bring to a boil. To this, I'm going to add some cinnamon leaves. If you don't have cinnamon leaves, you can use cinnamon sticks. I'm also going to add vanilla extract, nutmeg, and salt. Remember to check out the description for the ingredients, alright? I'm going to allow this to come to a boil. In the meantime, let's blend the breadfruit. So add the breadfruit to your blender, followed by some coconut milk, water, and oats. The mixture should look something like this, smooth, no lumps. So just pour the entire thing in the pot and mix properly. When cooking porridge, the first few minutes is very crucial because you don't want any lumpy porridge. So make sure to mix this properly, alright? I am going to use a whisk to get this as smooth as possible. I'm also going to rinse out the blender with about 2 cups of water and pour it in the pot. So once this is completely smooth, I'm going to allow it to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. In the space of that 20 to 25 minutes, make sure to occasionally check on your porridge and give it a stir. Porridge cook, it's time to add the sweetener and some more flavor. Porridge in general is not hard to cook. It just takes a lot of stirring so the porridge is not lumpy. You will also need some good flavor, sweetened to perfection, and overall just make sure the porridge cook. Alright, that's it. I'm going to add some condensed milk. If you don't have access to this brand or any other vegan condensed milk, I have a video of how you can make your own. You can either check that out or sweeten with whatever sweetener of your choice, such as agave, sugar, and so forth. Along with the sweetener, I'm going to add some more nutmeg and vanilla extract. The condensed milk wasn't enough to sweeten this, so I added some cane sugar, and as I mentioned, you can use whatever sweetener of your choice and sweeten to your liking. porridge turned out lovely and it tasted really good. To me, it's a cross between peanut and banana porridge. You can have this with some crackers or hard dough bread or just drink the porridge as is. This was lovely as I said. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you try and enjoy this recipe. Let me know if you do. And until next time, bless upon yourself.